That is going to be the same with you guys when you show up. I don't care if you show up and you're emotional. I don't care if you show up and you have doubts. I don't care if you show up and you lost yesterday. I don't care if you show up and you got close to TP today and it turned against you. I don't care if you show up and you almost passed your challenge, but now you're at -6%. Excuse my French, but F how you feel. You've got a job to do. When you show up, do it. Not give yourself an option to get out or to comfort yourself because you're having this pity party that you almost passed and you didn't. So let me just take a trade that I wouldn't otherwise take. How does that make sense? If I was to fire you from trading, if I had the power to do so because you continuously done dumb shit, you wouldn't do it because there was a consequence. You got to create those consequences for yourself, guys. And you see something, and I know you're not going to like to hear this, but trading is very, very, if not closely associated to gambling. And your brain is always going to be in a fight or flight mentality. I don't like losing, therefore we need to try and rectify this. I don't like losing, and that's not just you. That is just your. That's how your internal system, nervous system works with your brain. I don't like losing, therefore I will hesitate and doubt instead of press the button. I'm in profit. I can't lose. Therefore, let me close this trade early. I'm scared price is going to reverse. Therefore, let me close this trade early. It's just how your nervous system works, guys. And you can do as much as you possibly can to work on that. And you can get better at it, but it will never, ever go away. And the only way that it would is if there was a consequence which cannot be internally dialed into your nervous system. It just will never happen. But if there was a physical consequence and it was immediate, like if you close this trade, I'm going to blow your mum's brains out, you just wouldn't do it. But when there is no consequence, you always have the option to do it. And unfortunately, God made our body and brains and everything so great that that internal fight or flight system is there to protect us till the day we die. But that is something that you have to battle on a daily basis, maybe not on a daily basis, but on a consistent basis as a trader, especially if you sit there and watch your trades all day long, especially if you pull your phone out every 2 minutes, especially if you're constantly doubting your ability to achieve results. Like, it's always going to happen. Anyway, long story short, it's going to be hard. You can make it easier, and only you know how to do that. I boiled it down to one thing: just avoid doing dumb shit. You know, nowadays in the society that we live in order to be smart, you just have to avoid doing dumb things. And technically, you are categorized as a smart individual. You don't need no OBE, no letters behind your name. If you just avoided doing dumb shit in society, you're actually a smart guy. You're way above 99% of the world right now, or individuals in the world. And it's going to be the same in trading. It's going to be the same in trading. All right. You can't master emotionless trading, man. You just can't. Tell me how, bro, and we're going to make money together. You just can't. There will never be such thing as emotionless trading. I'm sorry. It's impossible.
You just have to manage it.
You got to manage it. I promise you it's impossible.